Title: Silver just rang the bell. Gold is next. Flint West reporting, the full technical breakdown. Listen close because the charts are talking, and for once they are not whispering, they are yelling. Silver just rang the bell, and gold is walking toward the ring with its gloves already taped. This is not hopium. This is structure. This is momentum. This is the kind of setup old traders tell their grandkids about, right before the grandkids sell the house to chase the next meme coin. Let us break it down the proper Flint West way. 1. The trend. The long wave is up, and it ain't subtle. You look at gold and silver on the weekly time frame, and you immediately know these two are not in a rally. They are in a migration, a multi-year march upward. Both prices are miles above the 200-week simple moving average. And when precious metals sit that far above their long-term trend for this long, that is not noise. That is the market telling you the world is repricing real money. Gold riding high above $2,344, like it does not even remember the 200-week line exists. Silver hovering way above $27, like it is allergic to the past. A trend like this is structural. It is the kind of slope you get when governments are printing, central banks are buying, and people with real money do not trust the paper it is printed on. 2. Volume. The footprints of the giants. Retail traders tweet. Institutions move markets. And what are the giants doing? Accumulating. Gold's volume is rising steady, measured, deliberate, institutional. Silver's volume? Silver's volume is going full stampede. You do not get multiple high-volume weekly bars unless someone with a real mandate is buying the dips the way they used to buy oil contracts. When silver gets that kind of attention, history says one thing: a big move is already in motion. 3. RSI, the tells that separate noise from signal. Now let us talk RSI, because this is where the story gets spicy. Silver's RSI broke above its average first, like a sprinter breaking off the blocks before the gunshot even echoes. Weekly RSI around 77, above the moving average, no bearish divergence. And critically, it is acting like it is not done yet. This is not exhaustion, this is ignition. Then there is gold, trailing just behind but tracing the exact same pattern. Weekly RSI around 73, just crossed above the average, plenty of headroom. Looks exactly like silver, 2 steps before silver went vertical. When the RSI aligns across both metals like this, you are not looking at a top, you are looking at a runway. 4. Price action. Silver as the scout, gold as the general. Silver broke its decade-long $30 to $32 ceiling like it was made of wet cardboard. And here is the part every metals bull knows in their bones. When silver leads, gold detonates. The historical rhythm is clear. From 2005 to 2007, silver led, then gold surged. From 2009 to 2011, silver exploded, then gold hit all-time highs. From 2019 to 2020, silver broke first, then gold followed like a freight train. We are watching the same dance again, except this time, the macro backdrop is not warm, it is molten. 5. The targets, where this could run if it behaves normally. Note that word normally, because if metals behave abnormally, they overshoot. But let us stay reasonable. Gold, XAUUSD. Current price around $4,182. Next structural zone between $4,500 and $5,000. Why? No resistance above, only air. Silver, XAGUSD. Current price around $53.70. Next structural zone between $60 and $70. Why? Decade-long breakout, rising volume, and silver overshoots like it is trying to win an Oscar every cycle. 6. Macro vibe check. The invisible hand on the scale. You do not need a PhD to see what is happening. The charts are telling you what the headlines will not. Real rates drifting lower. Fiscal discipline evaporating. Central banks hoarding gold. Sovereigns sidestepping the dollar. Investors quietly migrating from paper assets to hard assets. You can hide political chaos. You can hide fiscal rot. But you cannot hide price. Gold and silver already did the math. They are just showing you the answer. 7. The Flint West bottom line. Silver did not just move, it sent a message. The RSI flashed first. Volume confirmed it. Price action sealed it. Now gold is lining up behind it, repeating the same steps, tracing the same momentum signature, walking the same path silver walked just before it went vertical. The bell has rung. Silver already stepped into the arena. Gold is tightening its gloves. And when gold steps in, the referee will not be able to stop the fight. Silver rang the bell. Gold is next. Flint West signing off.